So guys, you don't ever hold 6000 mAh battery phone when they are as tiny as common pen. Make I just compare am. To be fair, the phone even slim pass the pen itself. This one fit be one of the most slimmest 6000 mAh battery phone ever. Wetin you dey say na the Tecno Pova Neo, the junior brother to Tecno Pova 2 when Tecno release sometimes in June last year. Now if you be Tecno fan, you go know say Tecno no dey quick release new phones for the Tecno Pova family. Na just last year na Tecno release the Pova 2. And by the way, see the link to the Tecno Pova 2 unboxing and review video for up here. And now Tecno don launch the Pova Neo and we get a whole lot of cool features to talk about the phone. And talking about the Pova Neo, if you never subscribe to this channel, subscribe now so that it will fit lead us to the word Neolistic. As for the unboxing, it comes inside this similar box with Pova 2. Open the packaging box and the phone will first come greet you. The 6000 mAh battery capacity might be the first thing when you go see for inside the quick specification lineup, followed by the 6.8-inch mega display, 18-watt flash charge, and 120 Hz touch sampling rate. Well, I like to call an screen refresh rate. Still inside the packaging box, now the transparent plastic pouch with all the necessary cutouts. Then the compact charger. This charger looks suspicious because the third leg they shake and they make one kind noise. Not too bad. Now USB 2.0 cable come with the phone. Another Aba-made earpiece, and finally the SIM remover. The phone long, although it not tall reach electric pole, it long, and I dey talk about 17.1 cm for the height and 7.7 cm for the width. As for how the phone slim reach, we dey talk about 0.9 cm. My only problem with the phone so far na I no be fan of big phone. I like phone when I fit reasonably use one hand take operate. But this kind big phone with wide screen go make sense for games, movies, and people when they find them hard to see clearly. You fit enlarge text for the phone and the display go render am big past the way small phone screen go show am. The right corner of the phone carry the volume plus power button. The up no get any function. SIM house for the right, speaker, charging port, microphone and audio jack for the bottom. And finally, the back carry two cameras, flashlight, fingerprint sensor and Tecno Pova branding. Now if you want to talk about the main difference between the Tecno Pova Neo and the Tecno Pova 2 when Tecno don earlier release, then you go dey look toward the camera, the chipset, the price, the battery capacity and finally the fingerprint sensor. This Pova Neo back camera gets 13 megapixel while Pova 2 gets 48 megapixel. MediaTek Helio G25 for Neo and G85 for Pova 2. Neo gets 6000 mAh battery capacity while Pova 2 gets 7000 mAh. Neo fingerprint sensor dey back of the phone while Pova 2 on this side of the phone, making Pova 2 fingerprint sensor more convenient. As for the price, Neo na 75,000 naira and Pova 2 na 108,000 naira. I must mention say Neo gets two variants. This variant when I dey review now na 4GB RAM plus 64GB ROM. Another higher variant dey, that one gets 6GB RAM with 128GB ROM. The display na IPS LCD with 6.8 inches. The ratio of the screen to the body of the phone na 82.9%. The refresh rate of the phone na 120 Hz. Guys, seriously, this one big for the phone of this range. You know, Tecno build this phone to dey resistant to ordinary splash water. Na Android 11 phone and it dey run on HiOS version 7.6. So unfortunately, it no get the updates to the push down notification and quick settings for inside the phone. The phone get fine sound quality when you fit really rely on. And back to the battery again, Tecno dey boast of up to 3 hours of gameplay if you charge the phone for just 15 minutes with a follow-come 18-watt charger. And the phone comes with some cool pre-installed apps. One of those apps when I like so much na the So Play app. The So Play app go fit allow you to create some cool music beats. In fact, the background music when you dey hear now Now one of the bits when they say I create with this application, you really need to check them out because it makes sense. The camera for back na 13 megapixel and it dey record videos of up to 1080p. The zooming scale na 4x and e no dey zoom far. It still makes sense with near videos like this one. But for videos of far objects, it no work. It dey take super fine pictures with good qualities even under unfavorable conditions. Again, the problem na the zooming. The front camera na 8 megapixel and I kind of like the output. Check am out. Hello guys, this one the Tecno Pova Neo front camera and I did try check for the front camera clarity. But I think it did better pass most of those other ones so I give it up. The wide angle range of the selfie no bad too. I hope one day this wide selfie go fit take pictures when fit wide from Lagos to Ibadan. And not be say the splash resistance na new thing, or say the 4GB RAM and the 6GB RAM variant na first of a kind. The thing be say for a phone of this range to get all these kind cute features and e no heavy for 6000 mAh battery phone, it just makes sense for the price. I think it dey cool for 75,000 naira phone. If you dey think about the downside of the phone, the only one when I don see so far be say the phone too big. Click this video to watch the Tecno Pova 2 review and unboxing, or click this button here to subscribe to this channel. Tell me wetin you think for the comment section for bottom and I go see you for my next video.